Hello everybody, I'm here with Olmo Cerri. Today he took the day, he won every single race that we raced. So Olmo, tell us what happened out there.
Yeah, today it was a light day, like some 8 to 10 knots, very constant wind besides the last race, very technical. You know, the starting lines were packed, you gotta choose a little bit, but yeah, it was a smooth ride for me. These are very nice condition, very warm weather, so wish most of the days this winter would be like this.
One last thing, what was better for you? Upwind, downwind, or just tactical choices?
It was tough, definitely upwind. I had like a very good boat speed and that kind of helped me also carry through the downwind, but overall I feel like it was a well-rounded situation.
Thank you very much.